Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go with the question. The total resistance R measured in ohms of a parallel circuit with two resistors is given by 1 over R equals to 1 over R1 positive 1 over R2, where R1 and R2 are the resistances in ohms of the first and second resistors respectively. In a parallel circuit with two resistors, the first resistor has twice the resistance of the second. The total resistance of the circuit is what fraction of the resistance of the second resistor? Here, this R represents the total resistance, and this R1 and R2 represent the resistance of two resistors which are in parallel circuit. Okay, now let's consider the information we have over here. The first resistor, that is R1, has twice the resistance of the second, that is R2. For example, let me take X as the resistance of the second resistor. Then what is the resistance of the first resistor? So that is clearly 2 times of the resistance of the second one, that is 2x, according to the information we have over here. And we have to find the total resistance is what fraction of the resistance of the second resistor. So total resistance means this R. This R is what fraction of the resistance of the second. That is what fraction of X. That's what we have to find. Okay, now what we can do is in this equation, we can plug in this X for R2 and this 2X for R1, and we can solve for R. Okay, now let me do it. Then I'm getting 1 over R equals to 1 over 2X positive 1 over X. Okay, now to add these two fractions, we need the same denominator. Here in this first denominator, we have X, the second denominator also contains X, but in the first denominator, the X is multiplied by 2. So in the second denominator also, the X has to be multiplied by 2. So for that, what we can do is we can multiply both numerator and denominator of the second fraction by 2. Then we get 1 over R equals to 1 over 2X positive 2 over 2X. Then I'm getting 1 over R equals to 1 positive 2 over 2X. Then I'm getting 1 over R equals to 3 over 2X. Okay, now we have to solve for R, but R is in denominator, the total resistance. So now what we can do is that we can take reciprocal on both sides. If I take reciprocal for this 1 over R, I'm getting R over 1. And if I take reciprocal for this one, I'm getting 2X over 3. Now R over 1 is just R, and this 2X over 3 can be written as 2/3 times X. R equals to 2/3 times, we can replace this X by R2 because X is the resistance of the second resistor, that is R2. Okay, now I got the total resistance of the circuit is what fraction of the resistance of the second resistor, that is a total resistance is equal to 2/3 of the resistance of the second resistor. The answer for this question is 2/3.